Hi, I'm Melvin Kleinsasser with TEC. Today we're out here in Columbia, Pennsylvania, home of Turkey Hill ice cream. I'm getting ready to do a job. So as a project manager, just wanted to do a little how-to video on how I set the Equipter up for the guys when we kick the job off tomorrow morning. One of the most important components that's very often overlooked with the Equipter is actually the roof chutes and the gutter guard. So to set up the Equipter for this job, what we're going to do for zone 1, we're going to use the roof chutes to protect the bottom of the roof and direct the debris directly over the gutter guard. So your Equipter is going to be on the driveway, capturing all the debris from that zone. Once that's completed, you're going to move to the left over to zone 2, and we're going to utilize 2 of the gutter guards there, one on the upper roof to protect that gutter, and one on the lower gutter where you're going to have the Equipter parked on the bottom. Then on the left side, you'd use roof chutes across that to direct the debris down to that bottom zone. For zone 3, what we're going to do is use the gutter guard in the bottom right-hand corner, and then you would have 2 roof chutes on the left to protect the deck there from getting debris on the deck and the patio as well. So when you move over to zone 4, same thing, we're still above the deck there, so we're going to take 2 roof chutes, put them over the gutter there above the deck, and kick the debris out to the left-hand corner there, and that corner we're going to utilize the gutter guard. But everyone's been there where you have a deck with brand new Trex. They spent $30,000 on this deck, and you tear the roof off, scratch a board. Now, you're going out replacing deck boards, whatever it is. The gutter guard is great because it protects the gutters. And we utilize the chute just to direct the debris right in there. They're very affordable and a great, way we can protect everything around the house. So another thing, an aspect of the roof chutes that a lot of people overlook is the exposure that we get. Obviously, you can see we have a wrap on here. It's got our phone number, got our logo on there. So I'm setting this up today. This evening when people are getting home, they're driving past this job site, they're gonna see this, they're gonna see, hey, I can get a free inspection. They may need a roof. Next thing you know, this job's turned into 5 more jobs down the street. I have people calling in, and I'm gonna generate more revenue that way and more business. So huge benefit with these roof chutes. Pretty cheap to get a sticker stuck on here, get them lettered up, and start getting more jobs. So I hope this little quick how-to video helps you to become more successful on your next job site and set the Equipter up properly.